I begin with the name of Allah, the most kind, the most merciful, whose compassion is endless, never ending. Take a deep breath and feel yourself relaxing. In your mind, bring happy memories from your past when you were very happy and you felt alive. Feel those moments. Good. Now, feeling these happy emotions, take a deep breath. Be confident and realize with confidence that you have some control over the life which Allah has given you, and have trust in Allah. Think and believe that I know how to change bad into good, bad habits into good habits, bad moments into good moments. I know how to change these to good. I know that within me Allah has placed innumerable qualities, millions, billions of abilities. I know that these innumerable qualities will never leave me behind, and Allah's help is with me. Allah has created me for a special purpose. Inside me is so much faith and so much power that I am able to do anything with ease. I live in my dream world, where my dreams are the reason for me to live, and inside me I have so much confidence that I am able to fulfill my dreams. I have complete certainty in Allah. I want to make a life for myself where I can be happy in this dunya and in the hereafter. I am able to earn good deeds, and these are born from my wishes and my thoughts. I am a human being who lives with a purpose, whose aspirations reach the skies, and my strategies are also noble and will aid me in fulfilling these dreams. Inside me, I have the peace of faith. In order to fulfill my purpose, I can use this inner peace. I have certainty that my purpose is so noble that no one has the ability to come and weaken it. This is only by Allah, and I have trust in Him that with my positive thinking, I have the strength to fulfill my purpose. Allah's help is my support. I always welcome new thoughts and theories and challenges. I never fear them because I have full certainty in my confidence in myself and in Allah's mercy. With faith in Allah and positive thoughts about my abilities, I am a person who has certainty, who is not afraid of my situation, but instead I look at my situation eye to eye and face my challenges. I know how to keep myself balanced. I have so much faith and confidence in my abilities that I have certainty that I can stand up to all of my decisions that I have made. I accept challenges that are coming in my life. To fear them and step back is not part of my character. I focus on these things in my life that make me strong and increase my willpower. I forgive myself for my past mistakes. Allah loves those who forgive. With resoluteness, I get up, because I know my trust in Allah and my inner qualities and abilities will not allow me to surrender. The strength of Iman is a very big reality. My mind is such a place where lots of positive thoughts, passions, ideas, and goals are collected. In the day, 5 times a day, in my prayers, I get a chance to reawaken. My mind is the home of creativity that holds all things together. And from here, I assume my strategies. I think about my goals 5 times a day and run them through my mind. And I take the support of prayer. With each passing day, I am getting better and better. My goals are getting polished. I can feel how much self-confidence and certainty is coming inside me. Every day after Fajr, I give my goals attention so that I can focus on them, and then I can understand their importance. I have the strength of Iman. In relation to health, I am a healthy person, and I have a healthy mind that has the ability to accomplish all things. I have the power to move out of my comfort zone and my easy life and face challenges and difficulties. My passionate faith never lets these things take control over me. I am a person who keeps happy, that feels the circumstances surrounding me, and I witness these circumstances, and from these my goals take shape. Without recognizing your circumstances, you cannot do any practical work. From inside me, I can feel the strength of peace and faith that will help me in fulfilling my goals and my passions. Inside me, I can feel the power of faith in Allah. Every day makes me determined and helps me in fulfilling my purpose. I know how to fully express my emotions and in which way I can use them to fulfill my purpose in life. But I also know that nothing is possible until practical work on it doesn't begin. The help of Allah comes by tying the camel and trusting in Him. I love to pray for my dreams and my goals. I love to ponder over them, and gratitude is my habit. I am a good, well-mannered, and grateful person, and I am content with myself, and this is the cause of peace in my life. I am a person who loves to learn, and I learn from everything surrounding me. Every incident, every person has come into my life for this, and they come from Allah to teach me. I understand this, and then I make a note of how to be. With each passing day, I throw out negative thoughts that are inside of me, so that my goals don't get left behind because of them. I have made this will. Whatever situations come, whatever happens, I will not get left behind. I will face these challenges. I will keep hope in Allah. I do not sweet talk myself to make excuses. I have the power to stand up and testify and prove myself. Inside me, healthy organs are working, and I am the owner of a healthy body, a healthy mind, and I am the king of a grateful heart that is necessary in order to accomplish any of my goals. There is so much power inside of me that I am able to face rejection. I know that these rejections are a part of life, and everyone cannot be the way that I have hoped. I cannot make everyone happy. I have full confidence and trust inside me. I am one of the world's assets. Allah has created me for some purpose. He has created me with beauty and goodness. I am not useless. Actually, I am very useful and beneficial to the creation. I wish to spread goodness and benefit in the world that Allah has created, and I always learn from my mistakes. And I practically aid people in their successful journey, and I reflect on it, and I learn from it. I am a person who remembers the past. I do not forget things, and people do like me. I like to talk to myself. Just as a living person talks to oneself, I talk to my nafs, and I keep an eye on myself and encourage myself. With this, my self-confidence grows. I have the ability and passion to get out of any problem and to solve any problem. I take help with patience and prayer. Nothing has enough power or guts to make me grief-stricken. I am content within myself, and I am happy, and I know how to feel that peace and tranquility inside myself, and I know how to take help from my prayers. I know how to keep things in balance, just like I know how to pray with focus and balance. And I know that to put myself in confusion is very detrimental to me. If I don't like something, my only answer for that will be no. I know how to include successful people into my team, and also how to learn from them and work alongside them. Inside me, I do not have the idol of pride. Inside me, I have the ability to be connected completely to anyone and to be disconnected completely to anyone, and this doesn't make a difference to my being. With each passing day, I am becoming happier. I am happy inside and outside, full of gratitude, and completely well pleased and content. I have the gift of mental peace, and I am fortunate to be one of those who remembers Allah, and I have the right to keep myself happy. Allah's help is with me. I increase my contact with people who are happy and have a fresh, positive outlook so that I can feel even happier. I am grateful to each individual who has taught me something or another. I learn in sadness and in happiness. I have learned all these lessons, and I am thankful to these people for teaching me. I know that being thankful to the Muhsin is also being grateful to Allah. Happiness is a great asset. The secret to happiness is found in gratitude, and I am acquainted with its worth. That's why I proclaim my gratitude every day. I count at least 10 blessings and thank Allah for them, with deep feelings of gratitude before I sleep. This is my habit. Close to me, happiness is a journey which never ends. This is not a destination. Instead, in order to keep searching for happiness, you should keep this journey going. And I have come to cherish a blessing such as happiness. And I know that all my goals will be fulfilled. Inside me is so much power that I can attain them. And true success is the success of the hereafter. I am grateful for the fact that the power of Iman and self-confidence always leads me to success. The support of faith and self-confidence are the biggest reasons for my success and my happiness and my connection to Allah. I am a healthy, wealthy, successful, and grateful person that is content within myself and happy. I am a grateful person who can facilitate inner peace inside me. I have so much power that I can take responsibility for all of my actions, and this thing increases my self-confidence and my trust in Allah, and gives me both peace and happiness. I always feel myself as very strong whenever I see another new day. Every day, Fajr prayer gives me passion to work on my goals. Beginning the day with sajda, in truth, is my strength, which never allows me to tire. I am a good-hearted person who gives other people a place in my heart. I bear their mistakes and have courage to hide their faults. I know how to overlook. These things bring me closer to people and are pleasing to Allah, and make me feel contented myself. I am a loving person who spreads goodness, whose goals are very noble and are always in front of my eyes. Self-confidence are the reasons for this. I am an intelligent mu'min who loves myself, and people love me and they declare their belief in me. I love and honor and respect myself. I think that this world is a peaceful and loving place, the best place made by Allah, but the condition is that I must in fact make it a peaceful and loving place. Wherever I go, I feel cherished and loved, and I feel part of the people. My imagine is amplified, which attracts people towards me and forces me to have self-respect. With each passing day, I am becoming better and better. Everything is becoming apparent before me. Now things don't put me in difficulty. I have become used to dealing and sorting out situations. I know how to take the support of making dua. Tawakkul is my asset. Whatever I think, I have the power and courage to fulfill it, and with the help of Allah, I know how to solve any problem. I know how to keep myself peaceful and contented. I leave my destiny in Allah's hands, but I write my own actions, that everybody should write themselves and should also make dua for. Whatever abilities and qualities Allah has given me, I know how to use them. I can read others so that I may understand them, and so that I may learn from them. Inside me, there is no lack of confidence. Whenever I talk to other people, then I do it with the thinking that we are all equal, and we are all wanderers and travelers, and Allah has made us brothers as human beings. With each passing day, I feel that my iman, my strength, my knowledge, my self-confidence are all increasing. These are all making me strong. My practical abilities are improving day by day, and I am getting closer and closer to my goals. Whatever strength I spend, new strength is born inside of me. Allah bestows more upon me. I know how to enjoy my life, making these moments a part of my life. Thinking of them, I wish to remain happy. I know how to live in the present. I never feel shy or concerned about expressing my emotions and feelings. This makes me feel light and well pleased from inside. O Allah, become enough for me and become my transport and make my dunya and my akhirah the best possible. Ameen.